Is your Canon printer not printing from your computer? Don't worry, this quick guide will help you fix it in just a few simple steps. First, make sure your printer is turned on and connected to the same Wi-Fi or USB connection as your computer.
Next, open your computer's printer settings and confirm that your Canon printer is selected as the default printer.
If nothing prints, clear the print queue by canceling all pending print jobs, then try printing again. Still having trouble? Restart both your computer and your Canon printer to refresh the connection. Outdated printer drivers can also cause printing problems. Download and install the latest Canon printer driver for your model.
If your Canon printer still won't print, check for paper jams, low ink, or offline status.
Like this video and subscribe for more easy printer fixes.